Good morning. First of all, sorry, because of electricity issue, I couldn't make the video on time. But as I could see, things are quite fine. I'm making the video, and surely will reach uh, before I say it in the message. Okay, let's quickly continue. Today, first of all, we'll discuss about doubts. Yesterday, few students couldn't solve root 19 and root 28 question. One more issue I could find, in case in your worksheet sent to you, if you are not able to see some question, that means there is some format missing in your mobile. So such cases, such issue, please let me know. In case if you find only number and the question is not seen, or some expressions are not seen, because mathematical equation not normally seen in all the mobiles or in all the formats. So it's better you discuss all those issues with me so that we will sort it out as early as possible. Okay. There are few students those who couldn't solve question number 13 because they couldn't see the question in the worksheet. So in case if the same issue with you, let me know. Anyway, and if you haven't solved it yet, please complete it. There are few students those who could not complete this. Okay, so complete that as well. Anyway, let's first of all complete this question number 13, root 19, how to present on the board. So see, till this time you must have understood. If I want to write, or if I want to construct root 19, I'll just write here. If I want to construct root 19, please let me tell you a simple hint. Then I need to have triangle with root 18 and 1 centimeter, 1 unit rather. But root 18 I have to draw first. So for this, if I want to draw root 18, I should go for root 17 and 1 as sides of right angle triangle. These are sides of right angle triangle. If I want to construct root 17, I need to go for root 16 and 1. Hope you are understanding. And that's it. Root 16 is 4. I hope you understand. Root 16 is 4. So I should start from here. From root 16. That means 4. So what I can do here now? First of all, a number line. Then 0, 1. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4 at equal distance. Till this time you must have understood that. On 4 perpendicular on 4, here it is. 1 unit distance. Okay, on 4. And this is what I have seen students made mistake here. They connected from 3. You're wrong here. This is not correct. So what is correct here? The correct is connected from 0, not 1, not 2, not 3. Connect from 0. So this is 4, this is 1. See, 4 and 1 side we get hypotenuse as root 17. So this is my root 17. Then take it down. As you know, this is your point where you can keep the compass, and this is my root 17. You can check that. Now on root 17, if I draw perpendicular, root 17, if I draw perpendicular and take 1 unit distance and join it from here and take it down, this is going to be my root 18. If I take perpendicular on root 18, understand, take 1 unit distance here and join it from the origin, take it down, and that is my root 19. This is how I have to solve. Got it? Still, if you do not understand, I'll send actual video of the construction. Please let me know if you want that. Okay? So I'll just erase it and I'll clear the route of root 28. Question number 13, to construct root 28. So for root 28, what I need now? Again the same thing. Same approach. Try to understand. If I want to draw root 28, which is as a hypotenuse, here I'll write hypotenuse. Then I need side 1 and side 2. Side 2 is always 1. Okay. Side 2 I'm talking about right angle triangle. Right? Is always 1. So root 28, here I need root 27. But as we see, root 27 is not a perfect square, so I'll draw root 27 as well, which you can draw by using root 26 and 1. If you want to draw root 26, you can go for root 25 and 1. And root of 25 is known to you, which is 5. So here we start the construction. So what I have to do first of all, a number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 this time, perpendicular, 1 unit distance from 0, again I repeat from 0. So this hypotenuse is going to become 26, root 26. Then take it down, taking a compass here, right? Going to be critical, but you have to do that. Again perpendicular on 26, 1 unit distance, take it down with the compass. Again perpendicular on root 27. This is root 27, right? This is root 26. This is root 27. On that, if you draw and if you take it, and this is going to become your root 28. Got the point clear? Understood. Good. So that's it. It's not a big deal. This concept you need to understand. This concept you need to understand. Finished. I hope your doubts are clear. Okay? We'll go for next one now. To draw square root spiral for root 7. Now that is the part today we are going to learn. Easy, but different than what we have done till this time. So let us see what is spiral first. Spiral means you know that our galaxy is a spiral shape. Spiral means in this manner. I'll show you in short. This kind of a structure, chakli of our Diwali, is called as a spiral. So how can I draw the spiral? Means how is that related to root 7 or construction of root 7? Okay, let us see. I'll show you. Let us draw a number line 0 and 1 unit. I'll draw the perpendicular on the 1 unit. Okay, I'll use blue color only. Let us draw a perpendicular on 1 and we take a 1 unit here. Just imagine. So what is the hypotenuse is? Is it root 2? Okay. Now what I will do, I will draw perpendicular on root 2 in this manner. You can check. Perpendicular on root 2. Got it? Here I'll take another 1 unit. Same unit, 1 unit. 1. And now if I join, what is that going to become? Is it root 3? Now again I will draw perpendicular on root 3. Okay, here is perpendicular. I'll just write that. Again. And here I take 1 unit. Okay, so what do I get here? Tell me. If I join the hypotenuse, root 4. Next, 1 unit I'm adding, right? Again, if I draw perpendicular on root 4 in this manner. On root 4, if I draw perpendicular, take 1 unit distance, right? This is 1 unit. And if I join it with this origin, is it going to be root 5? Now again, if I go for perpendicular on root 5, what do I get? 1 unit distance, I get root 6. Got the point? Again, the same thing, same. Perpendicular on root 5, 1 unit distance. This is root 5, this is root 6, and this will be root 7. This is what the construction is expected from you. Here is the construction expected. Okay, now you might ask me, where is the spiral here? What? make me to call it as a spiral? A simple approach, you can see this. Look at this blue color line. This one is actually taking it as a spiral. Got the point? I hope you understood this. If I continue this, it will continue or it will complete as a spiral. That's it. That's why we call it a square root spiral. It's just an activity, not a big deal. You can complete it as an interesting work. So complete this today. It's a question from your textbook as well. Fine. We will now go ahead and learn today's concept, which is quite important, and now we are entering into the algebraic part of this topic. Till this time, construction and searching the numbers, knowing the numbers, definitions, and all those things we discussed. From today, we are actually going to understand the algebra of this topic. So first of all, algebra means what? Simple addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and all, nothing else. One more thing we need to understand here, this topic is completely taking us towards knowing irrational numbers. See, till this time we have discussed rational numbers and all, fraction, their operations and all those things. So we are no more focusing on rational numbers. In fact, we are actually going to work on irrational numbers. Irrational number means the numbers which we have discussed just now, like root 2, root 3 and all, or maybe root 5, root 7, all those things. We are more talking about these kind of numbers in this topic. So we are actually going to understand algebra of this topics, algebra of these numbers. So matlab addition of rational numbers, multiplication of addition of irrational numbers, subtraction of irrational numbers, multiplication, division, all such things we will be discussing. Okay, so let us understand first of all the word surds mean by. What do you mean by surds? Surds matlab the meaning is a kind of a number with irrational numbers. That means I'll just give you the example. I am not actually interested in telling you the definition of surd. What is this definition? Because this word is not there in your textbook. I'm just explaining in short. See, root 2, root 3, 5 root 2, 7 root 11, minus 54 root 3. All these are considered to be surd, where there is some rational part, like in this number you can see, and there is some irrational part in the number. Okay, and they are product of each other. They are product with each other. So we call this expression, what you can see here, as a surd. We call this expression as a surd. This is even a surd. This is even a surd. Clear? Got the point? Surd means something irrational number. Something irrational number under root. The numbers which have got root in it, we call that surd. You may say, okay, if that is the surd, then root 4 is a surd. No, root 4 is not surd because it is equals to 2. We have the simple value of root 4 as nothing but 2, because 4 is a perfect square. So this we don't call it as surd. Clear? You got the point? Hope you understand. There is a typical concept that is pure surd and mixed surd. Pure surds, root 2, root 3 are pure surds. Mixed surds, 5 root 2, 7 root 11, minus 54 root 3, mixed surds. I hope I don't have to explain you much here. Only under root irrational numbers are available, we call it as pure surd. There is some rational number as a coefficient, we call it as mixed surd. That's it. A so simple concept. Got it? So I don't have to explain more about the surds. We will quickly go ahead for the next part of the topic. These are the numbers. First of all, we need to understand, are these numbers pure surd or mixed surd? Now that we need to understand. Are these pure surd or mixed surd? Okay, you can clearly see this definition of pure surd or example of pure surd. You can easily say, okay, these are pure surds. But let me tell you, these are not pure surd. These are mixed surds. Now you will say how? Okay, so this is what we are going to discuss, and that's the only thing we'll be doing today. This question number 1 from your worksheet. It's as it is written on the board. Okay, if you're not able to see that question, converting into mixed, this is the question number 1 of the next one, then please note down these questions there, or else please let me know, because there are few students those who cannot see these questions. Anyway, let's start. What is it, mixed or pure set? That's what my question. So let us understand this. Root 8. Okay, simple number, simple question. What is root 8? If I factorize 8, I understand it's 2 into 2 into 2. Sorry, 8, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, right? It's simple concept. Oh, sorry. So what do I understand here is nothing but this is 2 into 2 into 2, right? Which can be equal to 2 square into 2. Am I correct? So what I understand here is 2 square and square root get cancelled of this term, this part, but that won't get cancelled of this 2. Okay? So I'll write in simple form, root 2 square into root. I can write in this manner. Got it? So what is this? This can be square root get cancelled. I get 2 into root 2. So it is root 2. So now again my question to you is it mixed or pure surd? I hope now your answer is correct. This is mixed surd. Hope you understand. Getting it? Interesting, isn't it? Let's see the same thing for root 20. If I go for root 20. How is that root 20 you can convert? Let us see. Okay. So first of all, I'll factorize 20. 2 tens are, 2 5s are, and 5 1s are. So I get the same thing as 2 into 2 into 5. What is that equals to? 2 square into 5. Right? I can separate the root sign. So 2 square into root of 5. Now this square and square root will get cancelled. So what do I get here? 2 root 5. That's it. So simple concept, isn't it? Let me go for some difficult number like root 75, root 50. Let's try that. Root of 75. How can you express root of 75 as? I can go for it. 75 5 से divide हो सकता है. 5 1s are, 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15. 3 1s are. Right? Oh sorry. 3 1s are. So here I get 5 into 5 into 3. Can it be equal to 5 square into 3? What do you mean by 5 square into 3? It can be separated as 5 square into root 3. And what is that equal to? 5 square and square root to get cancelled. It is 5 into root 3. Right? Which is equals to 5 root 3. Hope you got the answer. Clear? So now in the same way, you have to try all these questions today, as well as you have to construct a square root spiral. This question you have to complete. I think it is question number 13. Question number 13 only. 13 ka next part it is. Question number 13. Draw the square root spiral for root 7. The question says as it is. And this question you have to complete today, which is question number 1. Convert into mixed surds. Clear? From today, we are actually going to increase the speed. So quickly complete this today. If you are left with yesterday's question, that is construction of root 19 and root 28, everything complete it. Okay? Till then, bye bye. Tomorrow we'll see with some more interesting part, that is algebra of surds, that is irrational numbers. Till then, bye bye. Thank you so much.